Welcome back, guys, for another exciting episode of Go2 Security. Yeah, I know. It's bad. Right, so this is a quick video, and I do mean quick one. I got so engrossed in the job that I forgot to video it, would you believe? So this video is a two-part video. I got the intruder side done very quickly, and I'm going to do more in-depth videos. So there's going to be a part 2 in the next couple of weeks when I go back. So it's quite an easy one. But the good thing about this one is, it's Texicom again. It's a hybrid. Basically, all the PIRs are wired and all the door contacts are wireless. So we'll be doing something on that at some stage in the Go2 training, or how to, should we say, on that one. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. It's very, very quick. Sorry about that. So here comes the intro, and I hope you enjoy. Hi guys, and how you doing? What a lovely sunny day. Right, got an install here. So let's have a look at it, shall we? So we've got a bell box up there, a live one. And so this is a hybrid system. So we've done the fire in here, and we've done the key fan. We've got wireless Texicom, part of it's wireless. They're wired. That's wired. That's an extra one. Now on the drawing we had one here, right, and they put it on the wrong side. So because the panel's over there, we've put it on that wall there. And we've got to come back and do the cameras. So PIR over there. There for the cameras. Got another wireless door contact there. On that silver somewhere. There. Another door PIR there. Got one, and that one's for cameras. Another PIR there. Got PIR up there. And wireless door contact there. We got wireless door contact there, and another live bell box there at the rear. Keep your head down, Ryan. So there's your panel. There's the card, and in there is, way up there is the wireless module. Fire panel's looking okay, but got a look of it, a fault. He's going to sort that one out. And that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you didn't sneeze, because he would have disappeared. It was that quick. Yeah, like I say, it was very quick. I zoomed around the premises, basically. Yeah, the part 2 one will be a bit more in depth. Hopefully, fingers crossed. That's only if I go back. So I hope this, you've enjoyed it. Sorry again. It's a bit quick. But, you know, if you can, subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up. It's always nice. If you got any comments, please put them below. Even as I sneezed and I missed it. Whatever, I don't mind, you know that. So take care, guys, and don't do anything I wouldn't.